Only begotten Son to the nations, by the God.
Vlog ba to or ano?
Yeah, vlog.
Hello.
What else could it be?
Huh?
What else could it be?
Level 2.
Bagong vlog. So we have a few things on our agenda today. Oops. Okay. So we have to go to Value Village to drop off some donation, and then we're also gonna get some water, get some plants if we find any, and then get yung para sa mop because we ran out. And then that's it, I think. Yeah, today is Sunday. January, I don't know.
5.
January 5. Today, Sunday, January 5. And yeah, we're just doing errands and then gonna go home and relax. So we got home really late last night, so we slept in.
And then late na din kami nakatulog.
Yeah. So we slept in until like 10:30, 11.
11 yun.
And now we're just heading out. It's already like 3 o'clock, I think. Is it?
Yeah. To 2:30.
2:30. So we're gonna go. Yung ano, Kat's feeling my congestion now.
Yeah. Parang napasa sa akin yung ano. Well, nafe-feel ko naman na to before, but now it's different. Parang ano talaga siya. Parang may tumutusok sa sinus ko and sa mata ko. And ang bigat ng ulo ko.
Yeah.
For some reason, I thought na magiging magaan tong pakiramdam ko today because nakapag-rest kami, nag-sleep in kami. Pero I think malamig lang talaga yung panahon ngayon. Maulan din. So,
Yeah. But
yun.
we took so the other day I bought decongestants for sinus sinus related issues. And since then I've been feeling a lot better, and then yesterday I forgot to like take a dose of it, and I could already feel myself like getting the same feeling of like my head being compressed, my eyes being compressed, and hearing myself talk. And then so I took it again last night when we got home and just now, and it's a lot better. So yeah, hopefully this will get us through until we finally get a checkup. We're scheduled for a checkup, but
Yeah.
we're just gonna wait for that
Yeah.
and then see if it's an infection or I don't know. But it seems like it's not because it's spread to Kat. So
Also, hindi lang naman kami nagkakasakit today. I mean, like right now, or siguro ngayong panahon. May coworkers din. Meron din naman
Yeah.
sila. Yeah.
you know, this holiday season, everybody got sick. Like even at the party that we went to last night, they were saying that like 2 of those people were sick during the holidays, and then my family was kind of getting sick during the holidays. Kat's
Yeah.
coworkers were all sick during the holidays. It's everybody was mildly sick at some point during like the end of December. So yeah, I don't know, there's some comfort in that, but we're just going to drive now and do our stuff so we can go home at a reasonable hour.
Yeah. So nagaling na kami sa Value Village. Nag-drop off na kami ng mga idodonate. And you know, may may lady doon na nag-aabang lang siya. Actually, I think nag-aantay siya ng someone kasi nasa dulo siya ng counter eh. Eh yung drop off na boxes nasa dulo ng counter. So dito kasi, merong drive-thru na dropped off. Meron ding dropped off sa loob ng store. And then may mga big boxes or big bins doon. So, pumasok kami. I mean, ako lang. Ano?
Bukas si Heron.
Bukas siya. Sorry. So, pumasok na lang ako and then nag-drop off ako doon ng mga stuff na i-donate namin. And then, sinalubong niya ako. Sabi niya, no, don't put the yung shoes daw. May shoes ako na Sam Edelman na rain boots. Hindi ko na nalagay kasi kinuha na niya. Tapos nilabas niya. Tapos nung bumalik siya agad. Ewan ko, siguro nilagay niya lang yung shoes doon sa bag or sa sasakyan niya. And then, nilagay ko na yung mga ibang stuff na mga damit namin nang i-donate. Ngayon, parang inaano niya, parang, nito, hinihimay-himay niya kung alin yung kukunin niya. And ang funny kasi may taga Value Village doon na nanonood sa kanya, tinitignan lang siya. Tapos, sabi ng taga Value Village, no. Tapos tinuro yung camera. Sabi niya, that's not allowed. So yung yung...
Tumigil ba?
Tumigil siya. Tapos kunwari, nakaganon lang siya. Tapos sabi ko, is that allowed? Because she got my shoes. Kinuha niya yung shoes ko. Tapos sabi niya, no, we will make a report of that. Sabi ko, okay. Pero, di ba, may mga, may mga ganun talaga. I mean, wala namang problema. Kasi idodonate naman na talaga yun. Pero, like,
you're taking away from other people.
Oo, like rightfully sana. You know? Parang, naman yun. But anyways, yan lang. Parang,
it's not raining today. Guys, look.
yeah. Palang. Ganda araw today. Kita nyo ba? Pababa to eh. Ayan. Ganda, no? Tubig na yan dyan. Ano yan na parang
River?
Fraser River?
Fraser River?
Fraser River ata yan, yeah. Nasa marine na tayo, guys. So, ngayon, yung next namin na pupuntahan is
Canadian Tire.
Canadian Tire. Dun sa, Marine Drive. So, yeah. We'll see you guys there.
So, we're now at Canadian Tire and we're just gonna look for a plant, maybe, and,
yung namin for Swiffer.
yeah.
Kasi naubusan na kami. And, actually, naglast yun sa atin ng no?
For a while.
For a while.
But we go through it because we mop a lot.
I know. Very kami. Very, makonsumo kami sa
Cleaning.
sa mga pang-cleaning. Siguro nga talaga, kailangan namin ng mga reusables na siguro next time. Kasi we're very bad sa mga disposables. Especially ako. Kasi, ewan ko, basta, yun na yun.
Let's go. Medyo nakakatamad gumalaw today.
No,
Huh?
because we're not feeling okay. And also the weather is just really not weathering. I mean, yeah, they're weathering.
Yeah.
So, I think that's why.
Sila kabayan, no? Kabayan! Alright, we're just gonna go inside. I don't know if we're gonna vlog inside because we get shy, but we'll see.
Because it has like this, no? So what we have sa bahay is ganito. Yung normal na Swiffer na wet jet. And it's okay naman. Very okay. But this one is different.
Okay. So we just finished at Canadian Tire. We got this plant. We're gonna replace the plant on our lamp. And then we also have the thing, that one, and also a Scrub Daddy. And now our next
Should we just put that one in the middle?
yeah, our next thing is to go to Save on Foods to get water. Our car is so messy right now. And that's okay.
nasa Save on Foods na tayo, guys. And, nasa ano lang to, Market Crossing. So, if you're from here, kung alam nyo, ano yun? Yung Save on Foods, eto, yung Save on Foods, at saka yung ibang, ibang stores dito, magkakalapit lang. So, kanina galing tayo dun sa Canadian Tire. And then, now, nasa Save on Foods na tayo. Ang kagandahan dito, if may mga kailangan kaming bilhin or anything, dito sa Market Crossing, andito na lahat. Like,
It's a one-stop shop.
one-stop shop. May, dito, may London Drugs din dito. Oh, yeah, the payong. Ay, teka lang, guys. I-rinse na lang ni Kim yung ngayon. Lalagyan ng water. Para, malinis. Wow, malinis. Anyway, yeah, dito kami kumukuha ng water. Pero, before, saan tayo kumukuha ng water? Safeway ba?
Yeah,
Safeway.
look at the snack.
Dalawa yun.
No, why not?
That's okay? Okay. So, before, sa Safeway kami kumukuha ng water. And, ngayon, nung nalaman namin na may water refilling station naman pala yung Save on Foods dito na branch, dito na lang kami. Although, like, may Save on Foods kami before na mas malapit sa amin. Pero, laging out of order yung refilling station nila. So, now, nung pumunta kami dito and we checked, nakita namin na they're okay naman. Dito na kami nagsa-start i-give every walan kami ng tubig. And then we just ask for that, yung PLU refill na sticker. Kasi every time na andito kami, ina-ask nila kami kung refill ba or hindi. So, nanghingi na lang kami ng parang sticker. Ayan. Right? Uwi na tayo, guys. Kasi parang tapos na tayo sa lalakarin natin today. I mean, feeling ko may kulang pa talaga.
Ewan ko.
Yeah, feeling ko may na-miss kaming lakarin. Pero, yung mga importante naman, natapos naman namin, like yung water and then yung pagdo-donate and yung paghanap ng plants. Pero now, siguro kung nakalimutan namin, hindi siguro talaga yun masyadong importante. So now, pauwi na kami. Maaga pa. Magpo-4 pa lang. Hey, we're home! So we have this one, nakalagay siya on top sa table because we were gonna mop our floors. Ayan. Pero, yes, eto na yung water natin and then ito din. So, hindi kami kumuha ng water dispenser talaga kasi, well, maganda naman, no? Pero, hindi namin sure kung saan namin ilalagay. So, eto na lang. And, perfect pa naman siya dito for now. And, I think, siguro, 2 taon na ba? Magda-2 taon na dito lang talaga siya. Iniisip namin, every time nag-move around kami ng something sa bahay, iniisip namin, saan kaya to perfect place ilagay? But then, dito pa rin siya nahuhulog na, tawag niya? Space. Ayan. So, we have that one. And we still have our fruits over there from our New Year's. And then, the pizza, galing to kagabi sa party na pinuntahan namin. So, nagdala kami ng pizza, pero
Since kami yung nagdala,
kami din ang nag-uwi. Yeah, medyo, dito, crowded yung place dito. This one, ginagamit namin to for air fryer. Bakit ba ako This one, our place.
Okay.
Anyway, yes, eto yung nabili natin na bagong mop. So, sabi dito, may kasali naman na daw siya na battery kasi may siya, LED something, whatever, LED lights para, nito? Nakikita mo yung mga churva, like mga dirts and dusts and everything like that. And then, so may kasali na siyang ganito, nito? May kasali na siyang mopping pad. And then, may kasali na siya nung cleaning formula. This one. And then, let's see. Oh my God! Ta-da-da-da-da-da!
Swiffer din naman yung ano namin last time, but
Oh yeah, it wasn't that good.
honestly, we've been wanting this one. Well, I've been wanting this one for a long time because of the bristles, like the soft bristles on the bottom.
Yeah.
But we didn't need it, but
Since it was on sale,
we just got it.
we just got it. So, yung ano,
Nice. Like, ready to, ano na siya. Paano ito?
meron na siyang ano, tanggalin na lang natin.
Oh.
Hindi siya bulky kagaya ng isa natin, no? This one's very good.
Same lang.
No, yung isa is may ganun talaga siya.
Let's see what you mean.
Oh,
Is that good?
is the battery, ano na?
Alright, and it comes with only 2, so I think that'll be good for 2 months. Because we go through 1 a month. Hindi namin
yung battery.
pinapalitan to every time because that's just a waste. And since we do it every day, it doesn't get too dirty. So yeah, this is what I wanted, like these bristles, because apparently it's supposed to collect more dust than the other one. The other one was doing its good business, but this one seems
Parang
better.
ano kasi yun, parang nylon ba yun? Or not
Yeah.
really nylon. Pero, mas
And then,
ano siya.
Alam niyo dati, I didn't know that you keep this on, so I took it off and then it became invalid. And
And then you
like that.
just stick it on.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything there. Stick it on. Oh my god. Stick it on like that, and it has a light, so it's like, you know, a Dyson. We want to replace our Dyson too, but we really don't need to do that.
It's not the right time pa na mag-change
Yeah.
ng Dyson ngayon. Working very well pa naman yung Dyson namin. Siguro, it has been with us
Well,
for, ano,
last year the battery died, so we
Oh,
had
yeah.
to get a new battery. But we got that from Amazon, and it was only like $80 or something. So it was pretty good, and then it worked perfectly again. As long as you keep cleaning the Dyson too, it works forever.
yeah. Tagal na rin sa amin yung Dyson.
Yeah.
Wala namang masyadong heavy na pinagagamitan namin. It's just that very convenient sa amin yung Dyson because we don't have enough space for, anong tawag nito? For,
Storage.
no, what I mean yung ano, yung walis and the anong tawag nito?
Huh?
Wait lang. Walis and, ano yung pang ganyan ng walis?
Duster.
No, yung pang catch dustpan, yeah. So, wala kami enough storage for walis and dustpan, dustpan. So kaya ginagawa namin isahang isahang mga gamit na lang para nakaka-save ng space. Tama ba? Or I don't know. Ginagamit din namin sila for carpets and for the couch. So ayan. Wow!
Oh, look at that!
Wow! Wait.
Whoa!
Let me, turn this
Turn
off.
off the light.
Again.
It's very helpful.
Again. What? So fun.
Tita things that just make sense.
Tita things that just make sense. Ayan, hindi pa kami tapos mag-laundry. So, ito yung dati namin na Swiffer. Looks like this. Oops, teka lang. Sorry, medyo makalat pa talaga yung bahay namin. Ito yon. Ito yung itsura niya. And then, ganito yung cleaning formula niya. Maganda naman siya. Okay naman siya, actually. Yung basic lang ba talaga ba? Like, if, kasi ito, mas nakaka-clean siya ng mga sulok-sulok. Kasi nga, dahil yung shape ng, yung shape ng dito niya. And then, paano ba yun? Yung may 360 something ba yun? Tama ba?
Alin?
Yan? Or I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, basta, Ito kasi back and forth lang. And then I think yun, pwede siyang for, like, may ikot mo siya if may mga super close na ano. I mean, yung may mga masisikip na mga spaces. So, pwede siya. And dahil nga slender yung ano niya, slender yung body niya, is nakakaano siya sa ilalim.
Yung body ko?
But yeah! Wow, so fun! Yay! Siguro, we're not sure if i-donate na namin to or i-keep. But then again, parang nawalan ng saysay kung i-keep pa namin to kasi nga, wala kaming space. So, we'll probably just let go of this. So, yun. Nice! Papalitan na rin natin yung scrub natin for ito. Kasi, look. Punit-punit na siya. So, pwede na to siya magamit for cleaning this one. For cleaning the sink. Yan na yung gagamitin natin kasi hindi naman natin siya gagamitin for dishes. So, yan. And then ito, keep na din natin to. May extra pa.